Are you searching for the best rotary roller for laser engraving machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best rotary roller for laser engraving machine in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Aibecy Laser Engraving Roller. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2. ORTUR Rotary for Laser Engraving Machine. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Laser Engraving Roller for Cylindrical Objects. Features: made of high-quality metal, works stably, no installation, no adjustment, ready to use after unpacking. 5 angles adjustable, engraving objects diameter at range of 20 mm to 80 mm, compatible with engraver is totem S and applicable to 95% of engraving machines on the market.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Yofuly Y-axis Rotary Roller for Laser Engraving Machine. Yofuly Y-axis Rotary Roller for Laser Engraving Machine. CNC 360 degrees rotating adjustment rotary roller for cans, cylinders, glass cup. Feature: width adjustment, 3 grades, 0 to 30 mm, engraving cylinder diameter, 3200 mm, engraving cylinder length, 195 mm, motor model number, NEMA 1742 34 mm, no installation, no adjustment, ready to use after unpacking, roller protruding design, no obstruction, unlimited length of engraved objects, applicable to 95% of engraving machines on the market. 5. Concentric design, adjustment-free timing belt, and the motor is not exposed, safer, engraving, longer cylinders, small diameter cylinders. Overlength plate engraving, overlength plate cutting, engrave round surfaces. This rotary axis table attaches to your laser engraver machine, allowing you to perform 360-degree engravings on round or cylindrical objects such as cups, bottles, pipes, bowls, drums, and tubes, etc. It features an upgraded NEMA 17 stepper motor made of corrosion-proof iron and aluminum. Number 5. ACMER M3 Laser Rotary Roller. ACMER M3 Laser Rotary Roller 360 degrees rotate Y-axis roller engraving for 95% of laser engraving machines on the market. Lightburn GRBL. Diameter can be divided into 8 levels of adjustment. Carving diameter can be as small as 6 mm. One-piece rubber roller. Hardness up to 60 A. Stronger friction. More stable carving process. Carving, long cylinder, small diameter cylinder, conical rule objects, 100% Lightburn compatible GRBL.